Hey, I'm Lee,
Hi, Jimmy.
and we are coming to you from the world famous.
Magic Castle in Hollywood.
Yes, and tonight we have 3 forms of activity through our silent disco headphones. On my left, I'm going to be hosting a live game show experience.
That's right. I'm going to be doing video mixing live here, DJ area.
And over in the Magic Lounge, we're going to be showing highlights from past magicians, and it's going to be amazing. So 3 channels, 3 different vibes. We'll show you some highlights.
And it's going to be a great night. Let's go.